Welcome back everyone, JT here. I've got a super short video for you guys today. Now as you guys may know, in a previous video I went through and wrapped a bunch of these chrome pieces on the Tundra, and I just noticed after a car wash that my little tailgate handle is actually coming off, as you guys can see. Well, the wrap is coming off. So what I'm going to do today, and I was just going to throw this on and not even record a video, but I know that there's a bunch of you guys out there that want to learn how to do this. So today we're actually going to replace this tailgate handle on the 22 Tundra. We're going to shoot a short video. For the installation, I'm going to give myself a good solid 5 minutes. This should be very, very quick, especially since I'll be using my little impact to pull off the necessary bolts. But first, because this is so satisfying, I just have to unwrap this. And if you don't want to watch this, you can just skip ahead. I think that's good enough. All right, now we're gonna get into the install. So what we need to do here is we just need to remove the little plate on the tailgate on the inside, take off two, looks like they'll be like 10 millimeter or 8 millimeter nuts, and replace this piece. All right, first thing we need to do is pull out all these T30 bits that are holding the tailgate cover in. And then after we pull all these guys out, we just need to remove the two nuts holding the actual handle in. It's gonna be super quick. Now that we have the panel off, we're going to remove these two 10 millimeter bolts. I believe they're 10 mils. Let's see. Now, as I'm pulling these nuts off, one thing to keep in mind, we're not pulling the actual tailgate handle off. We're just pulling the tailgate handle, we'll call it like an overlay. So the actual mechanism is going to stay on the truck, so, you know, less risk of us breaking anything. And this is the mechanism right here. Okay, perfect. And next up, I'm going to demonstrate on the new handle, but you've got these two clips on the sides right here. So we're just going to push those in on the old one and just pull the handle out. Like so. And there we have it. Now we can go ahead and reinstall the new one. Perfect. With the new handle in, we're just gonna put everything back in the same order that we took it off. And there we have it. Super simple install. Took a whole 5 minutes. A great way for you guys, well, also me, that wants to get rid of the chrome on the trucks. I do like the way that it looks. It is going to be more of a gloss black versus the wrap I had on here, so that's really cool. Another option that we do have for the dudes and dudettes that are trying to dechrome their trucks, we do have these carbon fiber overlays by FE Plus that would just essentially go over the OEM tailgate handle, so that is another option. Only drawback with these guys is that it does get rid of the Toyota logo, the badging, but if you don't care about that, another great and expensive option. Anyway, super short video as I mentioned, super quick install. Let me know what you guys think about the build so far. As always, if you haven't already, drop me a like, subscribe to the YouTube channel. And on the next video, I do promise I'm gonna do that MBRP exhaust. So anyway, I'm gonna get into the exhaust now, and we'll see you next time.